Okay, y'all, still in historic Williamsburg, Virginia, and I'm just getting a look at some of these properties. There's not very many people out today because it is raining. It's a little cooler, so people are a lot less likely. I'm not even sure what street this is. The large red house over there you see over there, that is the Randolph house. So went yesterday to Yorktown. That was a lot of fun. The Yorktown battlefield. Very well. Not fun as in like, it was just very interesting. So some of these houses though are really, really something, and they're very beautiful. And a lot of these houses are from back in the day. Not all of them. So some of them are, some of them are not. So got a little furry friend there that's enjoying the situation. So this street I'm on right now, this is Duke of Gloucester Street. I may be saying it incorrectly. This street here I just came up, that's Queen Street. So I think there's a store down here I'm going to pay a visit to. So, yeah, it's raining out here, and I'm foolish enough to be out here in this mess. So, original building. Politician Philip Ludwell III built this house in 1753. Virginia's first female printer, Clementina Rind, lived and published a newspaper here from 1766 to 1774. So, pretty historic house. You don't see very many homes or houses here with a front porch. I've noticed that. And me being from the South, that's kind of like, so we'll just go inside this building right here. This is a store, so we're going to go in here and look around. I don't know if they allow video, so I'll shut it off. Well, I'm going to pause it, and then we'll come back. Okay. So here is the post office and printing office. If you all want to read that, you can pause the video. This is how things would have looked in a post office from back then. I think we'll go inside here.